My name is Marcel Schweiker. I'm heading the chair of Healthy Living Spaces. When I was approached by the team from Karl Löwen to join the proposal writing, I was immediately captured by the potential of the adaptive technologies envisioned for the project for two reasons. On the one hand, as tools to learn more about human interactions with the built environment, and on the other hand, to know more about pathways for future office environments. Hence, I didn't need to rethink twice whether to join the proposal for the SONATA consortium.
Hi, I'm Rania Christoforou, and I joined the SONATA project because I was really fascinated by the unique idea behind the project, and especially about the interaction between the environment and the workers in the room in order to improve mental and physical well-being. I see the huge potential between the consortium members and the different disciplines involved in it.
Hi, my name is Suraksha. My motivation to join SONATA comes from my interest in exploring how built environment influence human cognition and well-being. Despite the topic challenges, I'm fascinated by the potential of the interdisciplinary group to holistically understand the interaction of workers with adaptive architecture to reduce stress from an architectural, social, and psychological perspective.
Hi, I'm Lotta van Hout, and I joined the SONATA consortium because I'm interested in how different factors of our everyday life influence our health and well-being. And since we spend such a large part of our day at our workplace, the influence of the workplace environment on our health is of highest societal importance. And therefore, being part of SONATA, I hope to contribute to a better understanding of the impact of the workplace environment on our health, and also help understand how we can create healthier workplaces.
The Healthy Living Spaces Lab at the Institute for Occupational, Social and Environmental Medicine combines expertise in architecture, psychology and beyond. In addition, we have a strong expertise in laboratory and field studies related to the interaction between buildings and human health and well-being. With this background, we contribute to the SONATA project our expertise on the effects of the built environment on human health and well-being related aspects. More specifically, we are conducting laboratory studies examining how individuals respond to environmental stressors and how adaptive architectural technologies can optimize conditions to reduce stress and improve short-term indicators of health and well-being. Thereby, we are focusing on the occupational setting and the effect of adaptive architecture in reducing environmental stressors and potentially improving cognitive performance.
So far, we're able to identify potential individual vulnerabilities which further affect workers' health and well-being. We are also running our first orchestration study at Aachen Workplace Simulation Laboratory, exploring the effect of these adaptive architectural components on human physiology and cognition.
We're aiming to complete the first orchestration study in April 2025, and we're already looking forward to analyzing the data to see how much these adaptive technologies could influence participants' physiology and cognition.
We are also currently planning the second laboratory study here at the University Hospital in Aachen. And during this study, we'll try to implement an orchestration model into the laboratory setting to investigate how the adaptive technologies can be used in orchestration. So together to improve health, well-being and productivity. And of course, we are also planning to share the outcomes of our studies in the form of open access scientific publications.